Are you sweeping? Are you sweeping the floor? Hi. Are you sweeping? Hi, babe. Just gonna sweep up a little, huh?
Nude cleaning. The best way to do the house cleaning.
Hello, did you teach her this, or?
Nude.
What's that? Are you making a new noise? You? Oh, yeah. All right. I thought you were sweeping.
Are you sweeping the floor? Good job.
Finished sweeping?
No pooping on the floor or peeing.
All right. Can you say goodbye?
Bye-bye.
Bye. Good girl. Bye.